Tonjia Atomic, and I'm doing an unboxing of Medusa's makeup for July of 2019. So, first of all, it's wrapped up in this pink tissue, all pretty like, and it always comes with a couple things. This tells you what's inside. I'm not gonna look. And this says that the VIP birthday box is coming, and that's in August. And if you are interested in subscribing, I would say August would be a good time to start because it's supposed to come with some extra stuff. So, let's see what's in this box. First, there is some Glam Rock eyeshadow. That's a pretty color. It is like a light purpley pink. Let's see, what is it called? Hot Love. Hot Love, okay. It's like a cotton candy pink with a shimmer. There's almost like a undertone of light blue, just really the softest undertone. There we go. So that is a really nice color. Then we have, ooh, highlighter. It looks like a loose powder highlighter. So it's just like a whitish. It looks almost like there's a really, really light yellow undertone. That's really pretty. And then, ooh, Metal AF lip gloss. So, let's see, what color is this? I have to open it up to find out. Oh, it says Fade to Black. Her lip glosses are really cool. So Fade to Black. And usually they have a really nice scent. This one doesn't seem to have a scent. But usually they're a really pretty sort of sweet scent. But anyway, so this is sort of a sparkly blue gray kind of thing. Oh, it's like a silvery. It's like a deep silver. And then there's one more thing. Ooh, Witch Lash. Looks like a mascara, which I am very interested to try. Ooh, oh my goodness. It is blue. It is blue. I'm just gonna put it on top just to see. I already have some on, so this is dumb. Anyway. It is light blue. That is fancy. So, that is it. That is everything in this box. It is $16.99 or $16.95. I can't remember exactly. I think it's $16.99. And it's a once-a-month subscription box. It's vegan and cruelty-free. And I'll put a link below. So you know where to sign up if you're interested. Anyway, thanks for watching this month's unboxing.